Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a review on the Salon Grafix High Beam Intense Temporary Spray-On Hair Color. The name itself is quite a mouthful, but basically this it's a temporary hair color, like I just said within the name. It's a spray, so it's like an aerosol can, and you just spray it on your hair, and the color lasts until you wash it. So 1 or 2 days, or however long you go without washing your hair or without wetting your hair, that's about how long it is going to last. I have it in the color Popstar Pink, which is number 22. It comes in a few different colors. It comes in like a nice turquoise blue and a dark purple. Those are the only two I remember seeing. It might come in more, but it comes in those pretty bold pop colors. So this is going to be really nice if you especially for like kids that are like dying to be a grown-up and dye their hair. It's going to be really nice for them. It's not really harmful to the hair. It washes right out, and it's gonna just give them that little pop of color in their hair. So let's see. Oh, it comes in 21 shades. Look at that. So at the place that I got it, I only saw 2 other shades. So if you went like online, like on Amazon, or even, I don't know if they probably have a website. Sometimes it's listed on the product. It doesn't look like it is. I know for sure like on Amazon you can find it. You could probably get the more colors. So before you use it, you want to shake well. Hold can 10 inches from hair and spray in quick short bursts to remove color, brush hair, and shampoo thoroughly. And that's really all there is to it. It's kind of like a can of hairspray, so that's kind of how you want to use it, except you're going to use it in small short bursts, so you're not going to just like spray it down and just like spray it all at once. You're just going to go short burst. So yeah, and this is a 2.7 ounce can, so it's pretty small. It's probably not as small as like a travel size can of hairspray. It's a little bit bigger than that, but it's still on the smaller side. Let's see, compared to like a box of tissues, because that's what I have right here. Okay, so that's kind of difficult to. So it's about the height of like a box of tissues there, and then box of Kleenex. So yeah, so it's pretty small, but a little bit of the product goes a long way because it is really, really pigmented, and depending on the color of your hair, the lighter your hair is, obviously the less product you're going to need and the longer it's going to last. And it's not like it's something that you're going to put all over your hair. You do like maybe streaks or something like that. So it's still going to last a pretty good while. So I'll go ahead and open this up. Like I said, it is like a hairspray can, so it's got a little bit of a nozzle. So I'm going to go ahead and do just one quick little spray here so you can kind of see. Oh, let me shake it. Okay. And there you go. And I don't know if you can see in the color, but so it comes out pretty strong. Like, you have to press down pretty hard, but once you do press it down, it comes out with like a really, like a lot of gusto, I guess. So I don't know if you can see on here, but the color is actually not quite hot pink. It's more on the orange side. So that's like my main caveat with this is that the color that it says it is not extremely accurate. It's lighter. It is very bright, but it's not the color. It's more orangey than it is hot pink, and I don't know if you can really tell in the camera, but it is more on the orange side, which is kind of disappointing. But I mean, it's still a bold color. It's still a nice color. It's not like it's an ugly color, so it's just not going to be the color that you're really expecting. The other thing with this is that when you do use it, you do have to give it a little bit of time to dry. You can't like touch your hair or anything for a couple of minutes or even a few minutes after spraying it on, because then you're going to get it everywhere. So you have to be really, really careful with that and make sure that you're giving yourself or enough time to dry for it to dry and you don't touch it. So if you're like using this on a child, make sure you like keep their hands tight or something. Just kidding, but like make sure they don't touch it, because if they touch it, it's going to get all over their hands and it's just going to be a much bigger mess than it should be. And when you use this, I would also definitely wear like older clothes or put like a towel around you, because since it is that kind of aerosol spray, it can go everywhere if you're not careful. And because it comes out really strongly, but you have to press down really hard for it to come out, it's very easy to make a mess with this and like kind of get it on your clothes. So just make sure that when you're using it, you or whoever is going to be using it is wearing like just an old t-shirt or has like a towel wrapped around their like shoulders and neck and chest and back, just to make sure that it doesn't like ruin their clothes. I don't know that it stains clothes. It doesn't say anything about that, but it might not, just because it washes out of your hair so easily. But I mean, still, you don't want to like take that risk. But yeah, so this is just a really fun product. I would recommend it. Just like be aware of the colors. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.